2026 models of ZT703 F rear shock absorber adjustment video tutorial preparation tools. Flathead screwdriver. Press the vehicle start button to turn on the vehicle. Press the side button to unlock the seat lock. After unlocking the seat lock, gently pull at the rear end of the seat according to the video method to remove the seat assembly. Note that there is a seat heating function connector on the back of the seat. When removing the seat, do not use excessive force to avoid damaging the wiring connector. Find the rear shock compression damping adjustment knob next to the battery. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust. Turning clockwise increases compression damping and makes it harder. Turning counterclockwise decreases compression damping and makes it softer. Find the rear shock rebound damping adjustment knob below the rear shock. Use a flathead screwdriver to adjust. Turning clockwise increases rebound damping and makes it harder. Turning counterclockwise decreases rebound damping and makes it softer. Find the rear shock preload adjustment knob below the battery. Adjust the knob by hand. Turning clockwise increases spring preload and makes it harder. Turning counterclockwise decreases spring preload and makes it softer. Reconnect the seat heating function wiring connector and organize the wiring. When installing the seat, the front buckle of the seat must be hooked into the wire seat on the mailbox. Then gently press the front of the seat with one hand while pushing forward gently with the other hand to install. After installation, check whether the seat is properly installed. If there is a large gap, it means the installation is improper and needs to be reinstalled. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.